Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel notes versus comments. Understanding their distinct purposes is key for efficient spreadsheet use. Notes are like digital sticky notes, offering simple annotations. Comments, however, are designed for dynamic, threaded conversations. We'll explore how each feature serves different needs in your daily Excel tasks, helping you choose the right tool for collaboration or personal reminders. Let's dive into Excel notes first. Think of a note as a digital sticky note you can attach to any cell. It's a static piece of information, perfect for adding a quick reminder or providing extra context without altering the cell's content. Notes are not interactive. They don't support replies or track any conversation, making them ideal for individual use. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. And on another note, if your home needs a cleanup as thorough as your spreadsheets, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's look at Excel comments, which are built for collaboration. Unlike notes, comments allow for threaded conversations, meaning you can reply directly to specific points. Each comment clearly displays the author and timestamp, fostering clear communication. This makes comments the perfect tool for teams to discuss data, provide feedback, and track decisions directly within the spreadsheet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.